Cute! Oh! This is so catchy! The vocal is giving. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Chloe and we're back on doing our reaction. So, before I made my first reaction to the new P-pop girl group who is Baby Dolls with their Ma Papa Ooh Ma Papa Ooh La La. Yeah, Ulala Baby, and I was so in love with them, and I figure out that I have two biases in that group, who is Ariel and also Johaira. And also I'm so glad because when I post shorts on TikTok, Johaira actually noticed me. Yeah, she commented on my reels and I was like so happy to be noticed. And after I posted my reaction for the baby dolls, many Filipino and also many fans actually recommended me to check out the other P-pop girl group who is MEI MEI. They told me to do a reaction for Alembong or Telebong, which I don't know what are the meanings of those, but yeah, they told me that since you love baby dolls, maybe you should check out MEI MEI too. I don't know why it's MEI MEI. Baby dolls is such a the name of the group gave me some idea, but I don't have any idea for the MEI MEI. It's like, is this like cats? Meow meow. MEI MEI. I really don't know idea. So anyway, we're going to do a reaction for the Telebong. Hello po. Ah, Telebong meaning is hello po. I don't have any idea, so yeah, let's check out the MV and let's check out also the girls for the first time. My first time seeing the girls, my first time hearing their song. So here we go. Let's go. Ooh, this is like the old Spanish era in the Philippines. Oh, classic. What is this all about? Ah, it's really Philippines. MEI MEI. Oh, interesting. The music is so catchy from the first time I heard it. Cute. Oh. They introduce everyone. Hapon? Really? Is this real? There's a song, Telebong. Oh, this genre is so unique. Wait. Aside from that, this genre is so unique. Aside from that, the vocal is giving. They have high note. Oh. Whoa. I also love their style. Oh, they really have flexible bodies. I love her voice. Wait, what? That's not Tagalog. Wait, let me repeat. I thought. Problema. Ah, it's Tagalog. The green one is so cute. But I'm really so curious if there's really a dance called Telebong way back before. In disco. Ooh! Oh! We went to Japan! Egypt! And finally, Philippines. This is so catchy! Giling, giling with a feeling? But the song is high! Telebong! Ay, the guardian was, "Get out, I'm working." Why? Why did they shout? May May. It sound like cat. Meow, meow. Okay, so first of all, I really get so hooked at the beginning, like you're seeing kind of Spanish era, or I don't know, is that was Spanish or like Japanese era, or like like the Japan era when they colonized the Philippines. They have this kind of huge mansion, and we have like Don Pacheco. Don Pacheco. Like Don, like Don, and first they kind of like introduce each other. They're like, okay, that was so cute. But then they like unang panahon, a long time ago. Oh, that was the kind of story. And then they have like a different. They are giving a different color of the P-pop right now. It's reminded me of Sex Bomb. The time when Sex Bomb was so famous way back before 90s or early 20s. This is like a kind of song that P-pop was reliving from when I heard the Baby Dolls. Okay, that a kind of song that both older people and also younger people could appreciate, something that you could dance with. This is so different from the K-pop, J-pop, and any pop that you've been hearing. It's not about making you cool. It's not about making you cute. It's about having this kind of song that will make you dance, make you hype, make everyone from old to young age enjoy. That was kind of song, and I'm so happy that they are reliving this kind of genre, because it's been a long time since we're hearing that kind of song, right? You have to agree with me, because the music industries was changing every now and then, but they are giving this kind of genre, the Pinoy genre, the Pinoy song genre back again. So I'm so happy. And I still don't know who in my bias. I think I wanted to see another song of Mei Mei. I still don't know what's the meaning of the Mei Mei. So if you know, please comment down. And also, this kind of song will make it so interesting, also so unique for the other or international fans, especially those who like K-pop or the other pop. They were like, what is this kind of song? But you're gonna introduce the Pinoy music, so it's gonna be like so good. I'm hoping for more songs and more opportunity for Meme, and I'm hoping for more time to get to know them. Thank you so much, guys, for recommending this with me. I love it. Telebong, telebong. And I also love the song. It's so cute, and I can't wait to see more. So next time I'm going to check their Alembong. Yes, thank you so much, guys, again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also put some like on my channel. This is Chloe. I'm also introducing myself. This is Chloe. See you again on my next reaction.